I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza vodka sauce. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1/4 cup of vodka, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget olive oil, garlic, onion, and fresh basil for that amazing aroma and taste. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for a truly delicious sauce. Next, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped garlic and onion, sautéing them until they become fragrant and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. This step is crucial for developing depth. Then, carefully pour in 1/4 cup of vodka to deglaze the pan, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. This adds incredible richness. Now it's time to bring the sauce together. Carefully add your 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes to the pan, stirring everything thoroughly to combine. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook uncovered for at least 20 minutes. This simmering time is essential, as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly harmonious and rich sauce for your pizza. Finally, let's finish our amazing vodka sauce. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream, giving it that signature creamy texture. Then, fold in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil for a burst of aromatic freshness. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and black pepper as needed. This versatile sauce is now ready to elevate your homemade pizza, pasta dishes, or even serve as a delightful dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.